Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to mirror your iPhone screen, stream videos, photos or music to an Apple TV, Smart TV or AirPlay compatible speaker, AirPlay is the fastest and cleanest way to do it. In iPhone Settings 2026, AirPlay lets you control streaming, mirroring and automatic connections easily. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to set up AirPlay on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro, okay? So before setting up AirPlay, confirm your iPhone supports AirPlay. Apple TV or Smart TV or speaker supports AirPlay. All devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so AirPlay doesn't work over mobile data. Okay, so now go to settings. Okay, tap settings. Then tap general. This is where AirPlay system options are located. Inside general, tap AirPlay and hand off. Okay, so look for AirPlay. So we have it here. Tap it. So this menu controls how AirPlay connects and behaves. So if your iPhone supports receiving AirPlay, enable AirPlay receiver. Okay, this allows other Apple devices to stream content to your iPhone. So you can set automatically AirPlay to TVs. So tap automatically AirPlay to TVs. Choose one, automatic, ask or never. This controls how your iPhone connects to TVs when nearby. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.